Y'all, the queen of pound cakes is back. And I mean back with a vengeance, y'all. I am coming in hot with this incredible new remix and cake. If you absolutely love Italian tiramisu, okay, that incredible dessert that we all just go gaga for, that we cannot resist if we see it on an Italian restaurant dessert menu, you are going to love my twist. I am making tiramisu pound cake, y'all. I mean, this thing goes hard, okay? I am giving you all of those incredible flavor notes that you love, that deep espresso coffee flavor, those lady fingers make a little appearance, and then we have a mascarpone topping that's just so rich and creamy and delicious. And then of course I had to powder on some cocoa powder. It is all that you love from tiramisu, but the Grandbaby Cakes way. Let me show you how to make it. In your mixer, throw in that room temp butter and sugar and whip that bad boy up. Now, we're gonna slide in those room temp eggs, hit it with some flour, let it do its thing, then fold in the sour cream and vanilla like the diva you are. Break up those lady fingers, give them a little splash of dark rum, and set them aside for later. Next, we're gonna mix espresso powder, cocoa, and hot water, and then stir it right into that batter to create the coffee batter. Grab your bundt pan, and this make sure y'all have really greased it, okay? That's super important. Then we're gonna layer in the lady fingers first, then some regular batter, leaving room for that coffee batter. Keep layering until everybody's invited to the party and give it a little swirl action. It's gonna bake up so beautiful, y'all. We're gonna bake at 325 for about an hour and 20 minutes. And then you might wanna also give it a peak around 1 hour or 10 minutes, trust me. I like to go a little earlier just to make sure. And let me tell you, it gets even better. I topped the whole thing off with a smooth mascarpone cream icing. It's so silky and dreamy, and then that little cocoa dusting on top sets it off even more. Now it's time to take a bite. We've done all the hard work, y'all, and now it's time to bite into this. Look at this gorgeous cake. Oh my gosh, like it is just next level. Get in here really, really good. Oh, fork just slid through just so easily. Let's give this a whirl. Oh my gosh. Oh, yum. Oh, I may not ever eat tiramisu the old-fashioned way again. This is so good, y'all. It is incredible. Every flavor that you love. A little hint of that cocoa, a little hint of that coffee, those lady fingers, that mascarpone cheese, like all of it come together in one slice. And it is just delightful. It even smells like tiramisu, y'all. It even smells like it. You will absolutely love this recipe, I guarantee. It's perfect for the holidays. It's perfect for literally anything you can dream up. You gotta try this. Oh my gosh.